Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking to modernize your dining experience, you're gonna wanna check out this beautiful silverware set from Uniturcky. This is the 30-piece set. It comes with 6 dinner forks, salad spoon, salad fork. It has steak knives and tablespoons, so it's perfect for a dinner party of 6, which is perfect for us because our dining table has 6 chairs, and it's made out of really nice stainless steel. They are nice and sturdy. You don't have to worry about them bending, even though they have skinny handles, which is a really nice sleek look. They won't bend at all. It's also very convenient that they are dishwasher safe, so you can just put them in there. The steak knives are nice and sharp, so they do a great job at cutting through meat, and it's really nice that the forks are pointy as well, so it's really easy to use them while you eat, very comfortable. The spoons are a really good size. They hold a substantial amount of food, and we feel really good about using them every day at home, but also when we have guests over, it's nice to have such a nice modern set of utensils. So if you're in the market for some silverware, definitely check out Uniturcky. You're gonna love the modern and sleek look of these utensils. Your guests are gonna love them, and that's my point of view.